don't think it's a requirement initially for you to have a travel website, but if you do have a travel website, having your host agency's website, even if you still remain hosted, is not how you own the presence, because that's not your site. You leave that host agency, you've got to start from scratch. So if you want to have a website, invest in developing your own website, hosting your own website, and make sure that it has a professional look that matches the brand that you and the vision that you want to set for your business. An engaging personal brand really is that you provide people with a way to engage with you. Social media is the easiest and quickest way to do that, particularly with the usage of Facebook groups, communities. This is the world that we are in. Community building is so important in our business because everybody loves to show and tell. You are in a business that people love to show and tell. So if you are attracting the same type of clients, create a community for them so that they can show and tell about their experiences with you or the journey to get out of town or while they're out of town, right? Make it fun for them to engage with you in your business and with other people in the same space.